Ever wondered what the secret is to glowing, youthful skin? The answer may lie in a tool that has been cherished for centuries, the Jade roller. A symbol of grace and beauty in Chinese culture, this handheld massaging tool is typically made from solid jade stone. It's more than just a pretty piece on your vanity. It's a bridge that connects us to the ancient wisdom of skincare. If you're intrigued by this ancient beauty secret, stick around to discover the benefits of the Jade roller. Now let's delve into the wonders of the Jade roller. This humble skincare tool, with its roots steeped in ancient Chinese beauty rituals, carries an arsenal of benefits that can transform your skin from the inside out. Firstly, it gives your blood circulation a refreshing boost. As you glide the roller across your skin, it encourages the flow of oxygen-rich blood, nourishing your skin cells and giving you that coveted natural glow. Next, it's your ally in the fight against puffiness and those pesky under-eye circles. The gentle pressure and rolling motions stimulate lymphatic drainage, helping to flush out toxins and reduce swelling. The Jade roller is also a facial masseuse in disguise. It eases tension in your facial muscles, which not only feels incredibly soothing, but can also help soften the look of fine lines. And if you thought your skincare products were working hard enough, think again. The Jade roller enhances their absorption, pushing them deeper into your skin layers. This means your favorite serum or moisturizer can work even harder for you. Finally, it promotes skin elasticity. Regular use of the Jade roller can help keep your skin firm and youthful, combating the natural sagging that comes with age. So there you have it, a simple tool with powerful benefits. From boosting circulation and reducing puffiness, to enhancing product absorption and promoting elasticity, it's clear that the Jade roller is a powerhouse of skincare benefits. So, what makes the Jade roller a must-have in your skincare routine? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the key benefits we've discussed today. Firstly, using a Jade roller can help to improve blood circulation to the face, giving your skin a healthy, natural glow. Secondly, it's fantastic at reducing puffiness, particularly around the eyes, thanks to the cool touch of the jade stone. Say goodbye to those pesky under-eye bags. Thirdly, it's a great tool for relieving tension. Just a few minutes of rolling can help to relax the facial muscles, making it a perfect de-stressor. Fourthly, Jade rollers can enhance the absorption of your skincare products, making them work harder for you. And finally, they promote skin elasticity, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. With all these perks to your skin health, it's no wonder the Jade roller has stood the test of time in the beauty world. Go ahead, give your skin the royal treatment it deserves.